Today, I'll show you how I created this clean documentary style animation in Alight Motion. I'll break down every layer, effect and animation in a simple way so you can create your own version too. So open Alight Motion and let's make this. First, let's set up the background. I used a warm off-white solid color for this project. Now let's add the background grid. I added the grid effect on top of the solid layer and lowered the opacity to keep it subtle. Then to add a little movement, I animated the offset option using keyframes. Next, I added a circle shape and matched its color with the background. This hides the grid in that specific area and creates a cleaner composition. I animated the circle using scale keyframes. And also animated the opacity from 0% to 100% to keep the transition smooth. After that, I added two more colored circles and animated them using the same scaling technique. This time, I used different colors and kept the opacity between 0% and 30%. Then I applied the pulse size effect to both circles. Now let's animate the brain icon. First, I used scale keyframes to create a smooth pop-in animation. I also added a slight rotation animation to make the movement feel more natural. After that, I applied a few subtle effects to give the icon a softer and cleaner look. Keeping the effects minimal helps the animation feel more professional and less over-edited. Now let's break down the light beam effect. Inside the group, there are only two layers, a fill layer and a feathered mask layer. This setup helps create a soft cinematic light beam effect. Then I animated the rotation of the entire group and used opacity keyframes to smoothly control the light intensity. Now let's add the text below the brain icon. I kept the text clean and minimal to match the overall style. For the animation, I used a smooth text reveal effect with subtle movement to make it feel more natural. Next, I animated the left side text using opacity and a few simple keyframes. Then I linked the text with the light beam group so the text rotates naturally with the light movement. I used the same process for the text on the right side as well. Finally, I added a top fill layer as a master adjustment layer. Then I applied copy background, soft glow, noise, and vignette to make the animation feel softer, more cinematic, and less flat. So yeah, this is how you can create this type of documentary style animation. And by making a few small changes in colors, text, or graphics, you can easily reuse the same style for multiple different projects. For more Alight Motion templates, click on the video on the left, and for more step-by-step tutorials, click on the video on the right.